Today, we're going to show you how to combine cells in Google Sheets, making your data cleaner and more organized. Whether you're merging names or compiling lists, this trick is a game changer. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Fire up the Google Sheets document that has the cells you want to combine. Step 2. Select your cells. Click and drag to select the cells you wish to merge. Step 3. Merge cells with your cells selected. Click on Format in the menu bar, then hover over Merge Cells. You'll see options to merge them horizontally, vertically, or all into one. Choose the one that fits your needs. Step 4. Adjust text alignment, optional. After merging, you might want to adjust the text alignment for better readability. Use the alignment options in the toolbar to align your text left, center, or right, and just like that, your cells are combined. If this tutorial helped you tidy up your spreadsheets, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google Sheets magic.